Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. Today we're gonna be riding Rustic Road number 19. So as you can see here, they are characterized for having a brownish color with the number of the Rustic Road. So hopefully I can get some really nice shots from the ground, like while riding the motorcycle, but also I'm gonna try to get some aerial videos with my drone. So hopefully you enjoy it. So here we go. There you have it. That's the end of the Rustic Road R19. If you like this Rustic Road and you want to ride it, I'm gonna put the address in the description below so you can come and ride it too. If you like the video, press the like button. If you want to get the latest news and the latest videos, press the subscribe button and stay tuned for the next Rustic Road. Thank you and see you in the next one.